Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off auto update apps on Google Play Store on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, as we know together that auto update apps in the Google Play Store is ensure your apps are kept up to date with the latest feature, security patch, and stability improvement. But as we know together guys, it also drain your memory and also your internet data. So I will turn off the auto update apps on Google Play Store. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial guys. Alright, first you can go to Google Play Store and then go to account menu, and then now you can go to settings like this, and then after that now you can go to network preferences. And then after that now you can click on auto update apps, and you can change from update all apps to don't auto update apps. But don't need to be worried guys, you can still updating your apps but manually over Google Play Store. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.